I'm Andrew Jenkinson, the Caravan Expert, and welcome to my Caravan channel. Hi, welcome to another video. This is a video on another used buy, and it is a Elddis Avante we're looking at from 2009. So looking at the 2009 range overall. And one particular model I'm looking at is a 505, which I found on the dealer's forecourt at Stuart Longton Caravans a couple of months ago. And it was up for the price of 8k. Now it's a double dinette layout. It was a popular van at its time, and the Avante range as a whole was a great van. Range of tourers from the 362, the little two-berth and kitchen, up to the big 626, which was a side fixed bed and washroom, and it would sleep up to 6, of course, 6266, and it was on the twin axle. Now the Avante range was launched originally for the 2001 season. I remember seeing it at the 2000 trade show, which is, wow, 21 years ago, can't believe it. And I was mightily impressed. Elddis had just moved factory as well, further down the road to a new bigger premises, so things were going forward. And also the Avantes really did impress because they offered a lot for not a lot of money. And as the years went on, they offered that a little bit more, and also they became very popular with dealers to do dealer specials. So they came with a host of extras, and that still happens now. In fact, some dealers I know don't actually do the Avante; they do their own dealer special, which is a little bit of a shame because the Avante, as it stands in its standard form, is pretty damn good. Now, the Avante was also came under the Compass banner as the Compass Corona. Pretty much the same Tourer, slightly different interior, and again offered really a good value for money, a bit like they do now. So they run light for light as they do in the last few years. So the Avante, what's it like? Well, 2009, it's 10, 11 years on now. Of course, there's been things cropped up. Elddis have had the problems like a lot of the manufacturers. Have been leaks and cracked panels and all that sort of thing. And these things happen because you've got to remember the modern touring caravan is still put together by humans, unlike the car. So, you know, there's always room for human error. We know it shouldn't happen, but it does. So, let's have a look what the Avante range is like, what to look out for, the good and the bad. And what I would say is, if you're in the market for this sort of tourer, the Avante range is well worth looking at. And of course, look at the dealer specials, and you'll have to ask the dealer, because lots that you're buying it from, or that whoever it is that's selling you the tourer, because there was a lot of dealer specials around from names like Sunseeker and Magnum, and they was all done for different dealers, so offering a bit different upholstery, different extra spec, that sort of thing. So they're well worth looking out for, because you do get quite a lot of spec in. But the 505 we're looking at was a 5 short of 8k, possibly a little bit quite pricey, but then again, the way the market's gone, demand for a 5-berth, 6-berth tours, big family tours are in very short supply. So consequently, that's pushed the prices up, as these things always do inevitably. So without further ado, let's have a look, and let me thank you for all the likes and the extra subscribers. Glad you're liking what I'm sort of doing. I'm doing a bit of everything, trying to sort of spread my knowledge out to everybody on a bit of motorhome stuff. Touring cameras, of course, is my main thing, but obviously I do know about the other parts of the industry. I've been following it now for 40 odd years. I hate to say it, but I have. And also, don't forget to look at the used buys in Practical Caravan. I do used buys there, and I do a concentrated used buy like on the Elddis Avante here. So Practical Caravan, I think there's a subscription offer on at this moment in time, so it's a good time to subscribe to a good independent magazine, and it is the best magazine there out and about. There's no doubt about it. Practical Caravan is, and I've been writing for it for 25 years this year, so that's, yeah, quite an achievement, I suppose. I don't know. They've kept me on, they must like me. So without further ado, we'll go on to the video, and we'll show you what the Avante is all about. And basically it's still going strong as a range in the current 2021 Elddis lineup. And if you think this is a sort of van for you, check out on various websites the different layouts, as I say, from the little 362, little 2-berth one up to that 626. There's some good 4-berth layouts, some good end washroom, the 524 I think it was called, had a nice big end washroom, 4-berth, central little side dinette with a bunk over for nighttime use, and a nice large lounge at the front. That was always a very popular layout. So shut up, let's get on, and I hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, please keep subscribing, and I better get on back with my book actually as well, because time's marching on, and I think the publisher will be on my back soon, so let's get cracking on. Anyway, sit back and enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you some advice if you're looking for an Elddis Avante. See you soon.